Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by creating a new virtual machine and assigning basic resources. Select Windows 10, set 4 GB RAM and 20 GB virtual disk. This balances performance versus host impact. Once done, attach the Windows 10 ISO to the VM's optical drive so the installer can boot. Make sure virtualization is enabled in BIOS. If not, enable VTX or AMDV and reboot the host. These initial steps get you straight into the installer quickly, without unnecessary delays. You'll proceed through the Windows setup. Choose Custom Install, create/format the VM disk, and follow prompts to set region and account options. After Windows boots, immediately install VirtualBox guest editions to enable mouse capture, shared folders, dynamic screen resolution, and better graphics performance. Then configure the VM's network adapter. Use NAT for simple internet, bridged for LAN visibility. Also tweak storage controller type, and enable shared clipboard and drag and drop to improve workflow between host and VM. Finish by applying Windows updates, installing essential apps, and creating a snapshot to preserve this clean state. Snapshots let you revert quickly if something breaks. Configure shared folders and set appropriate Windows permissions so files move smoothly between host and VM. If you encounter performance issues or device pass-through failures, check that guest editions are current, reinstall VirtualBox drivers, and confirm VTX/AMDV remains enabled in BIOS. These fixes resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.